Unraveling the genetic journey of Chinese DNA. What if the story of Chinese DNA wasn't just about origin, but a journey spanning centuries of migration? The long loop of Y-DNA-NO reveals an intricate narrative that connects modern populations across East Asia. Let's track its path and uncover how it shaped genetic diversity. The journey starts in Japan, where Y-DNA-NO first emerged. From this origin point, it split into two notable branches, Y-DNA-N and Y-DNA-O*. Each branch took a distinctive path, influencing various cultural and genetic landscapes across East Asia in ways still evident today. Y-DNA-N, the first subgroup, traveled north, making its way toward Korea and beyond. Its migration influenced populations in these regions, leaving a genetic legacy that reveals early adaptations to the northern environment. This journey highlights genetic evolution shaped by geography and survival needs. Meanwhile, Y-DNA-O** embarked on an even broader adventure, splitting into multiple groups. Each subgroup ventured into different territories, contributing to the formation of unique ethnic and genetic identities. Where did these groups go, and how did their migrations impact East Asia's genetic map? One faction of Y-DNA-O** traveled north to eastern Mongolia, laying the foundation for the pre-Mongolian people. This group later intertwined with branches of Y-DNA-C, introducing further genetic complexity. Together, these populations formed part of the ancestral genome of the Mongolian plateau. This migration offers insights into how environmental factors, such as the harsh Mongolian steppes, shaped not only survival strategies but also genetic mutations. The interplay of Y-DNA-O** and C highlights the dynamic relationships between genetic groups that defined the region's early populations. Another branch of Y-DNA-O** took a southern route, heading toward the coastal regions of southern China. Here, it became the genetic foundation for the pre-Austronesian people, who later spread across the Pacific. Their story reflects the seamless blending of genetic drift and cultural development. The pre-Austronesian people's base in southern China connects them to maritime migrations, enabling their descendants to populate island regions like Taiwan, the Philippines, and beyond. This southern journey marks an essential chapter in understanding Asian genetic expansion across vast waterways. A third faction of Y-DNA-O** moved inland into what is now modern China, transforming into the genetic backbone of the Hmong-Mien populations. These groups became integral to the region's early cultures, with their own distinct languages and practices that remain preserved to this day. Hmong-Mien genetics reveal vital clues about the interaction between Y-DNA-O** and later migratory waves. It underscores an enduring legacy that reflects adaptability, resilience, and the formation of deeply rooted ethnic identities in China's interior. The long loop of Y-DNA-NO ties these subgroups together, illustrating how migration and splitting defined East Asia's genetic history. Despite differences in geography, environment, and cultural development, these factions share a common origin, a testament to humanity's shared journey through time. Genetic studies enable us to reconstruct these extraordinary journeys and understand the subtleties of human evolution in East Asia. It's an example of how genomics helps bridge the gap between ancestral populations and modern diversity, fostering a deeper understanding of our interconnectedness. The journey of Chinese DNA, from Japan's shores through East Asia's vast terrains, is a story of survival, exploration, and genetic ingenuity. By studying these pathways, researchers can unlock new layers of human history, offering insights into culture, migration, and biology. Let this story inspire you to continue exploring the mysteries written in our DNA. Dive deeper into genomics, collaborate with peers, and expand the boundaries of human knowledge. Together, we can use science to illuminate new chapters of our shared ancestry.